Good morning, everyone. I am back, and I'm wearing a turtleneck, so you know I mean business. Matt, Johnny, and Lindsay, collectively known as Exploring Birdsong, have just dropped another single. Now, I like Exploring Birdsong a lot. In fact, I think that Romanticize is one of the most underrated pop songs of all of 2025. And yes, I know they're prog, I know they're rock, I know they're rock without being guitars as well, which in itself is fascinating. But they're back with a new song from a forthcoming album called 42, which is both hilarious because
the answer to the great question,
yes,
of life, the universe, and everything,
yes,
is
yes,
is
yes,
42. It was a tough assignment.
and also because it'll be my fucking birthday this year. Yeah, cheers for the reminder, guys. So fuck it. It only came out a few hours ago. I've not heard it yet. Let's have a listen. This is Exploring Birdsong with 42.
Stop, look behind your back. It stops you in your tracks. I know you've seen this thing before. There can't be a mistake.
Drum sound on these songs has been phenomenal.
I'm gonna break the spies. The look that's in your eyes. It isn't a surprise that you were telling lies like
That double verse.
Cause you don't understand. You don't know what they have planned. It's all been in their hands. Dead or alive. Someone's after you. They've left another clue. Don't ask me who. Beginning or the end. The angels always send my number, friend. The story's taking shape. I know this is my fate. It's all for me. I hate to say I told you so. I'm getting deja vu. The number 42 is nothing new.
Well, already I can tell you that Dead or Alive is going to be stuck in my head all. I love those little motify bits. It's a little bit musical theatre as well, because it's almost like we've got like a ready-made refrain that you're going to leave when you leave the theatre, that you're already going to be humming. It's like an earworm. It's fucking brilliant so far.
Only you still disagree.
Production on
Well,
this is
I'm sorry
fantastic.
your eyes refuse to see that all you're pleading is in vain.
This is very like 90s pop coded. Oh, this is a fucking bar.
Someone's after you. They've left another clue. Don't ask me who. Beginning or the end. The angels always send my number, friend. The story's taking shape. I know this is my fate.
Oh, it's
all for me. I
funky.
hate to say I told you so. I'm getting deja vu. The number 42 is nothing new.
Beautifully layered harmonies, lovely panning. Bass sound is gorgeous.
Someone's after me. The number is the key. It has to be dead or alive. Beginning or the end. The angels always send my number, friend. The story's taking shape. I know this is my fate. It's all for me. I hate to say I told you so. I'm getting deja vu. The number 42 is nothing new.
really prominent vocal line at the end. And it's 4 minutes and 2 seconds long. I fucking love this band. Hear me out. If this is what Exploring Birdsong are going to be in 2026, I thought Romanticize was one of the best pop songs of 2025. I really did think it's radio ready. It's brilliant. It's such a bop. It's got little elements of disco drums in there, and the second half of the chorus. It's got a refrain. It's got a lovely kind of emotional dropout, which gives it that lush musical theatre feel. And the drums sound incredible. That's going to be playing in my car all week now, isn't it? I think that 2026 might be the year that Exploring Birdsong blow up massively. I'm glad I've got tickets already to see them at the end of the year, because if Romanticize and 42 are anything to go off, this new album's going to be a fucking belter. Don't get me wrong, I saw people after Romanticize saying like, oh, well, you're stepping away from the It's not, but it's not stepping. It isn't a conventional pop song, although it could sit in the top 40 quite easily. If fucking pop music was more like this, I'd listen to the fucking charts more. I love this.
Someone's after me. The number is the key. It has to be.
Oh, it's...
Beginning or the end. The angels always send my number, friend. The story's taking shape. I know this is my fate.
They play this in a club, I dance. No, it's brilliant. It's lovely. Vocal production is fantastic as well. It sounds lush and full, and again, it's not that the earlier stuff didn't, but this is really phenomenal. And they've done a fantastic job with these music videos as well. I love that they're still using Matt, Johnny and Lindsay in the... We've got like kind of a narrative going on with characters that keep appearing and reappearing in music videos. I think that's excellent. Who produced... Sketch Benjamin made it. Brilliant. Well, kudos, because honestly, the music video is great. The song's great. I'm going to go and listen to it 100 times more. Oh, let's have a look at the lyrics. Firstly, let's just highlight this. Obviously written by Exploring Birdsong, but the fact that they self-produced this as well. It sounds huge, man. It really does sound... I think it sounds brilliant. I think that it's my sort of production, though. I really like that lovely, round, big, kind of established pop feel. I don't think that when you put a pop shine on stuff that it needs to take away, or that pop is a dirty word, because fucking pop looks good on Exploring Birdsong. So stop, look behind your back. It stopped you in your tracks. I know you've seen this thing before. Look, there can't be a mistake. I said it wasn't fake. I think I'm gonna break. The look that's in your eyes, it isn't a surprise that you were telling lies like everyone. Wait. Because you don't understand, you don't know what they have planned. It's all been in their hands. I'm telling you, man, dead or alive, it's going to be stuck in my head, because it's got that, sometimes I talk about like theme songs and jingles, and how we now live in an age of pop writing where we've almost like gone back to nursery rhymes almost in some of like the lyrical syntax and even in terms of like melodic construction. So with that dead or alive is a proper earworm rather. Someone's after you. They've left another clue. Don't ask me who. Dead or alive, beginning or the end. The angels always send my number, friend. The story's taking shape. I know this is my fate. It's all for me. I hate to say I told you so. Dead or alive, I'm getting deja vu. The number 42 is nothing new. I know you still disagree. Well, I'm sorry, your eyes refuse to see that all your pleading is in vain, because you aren't able to explain the start that came and went, the middle that was sent. You try to tell me you know what it meant. This is great. This is really, really, like, I I've got a big shit-eating grin on my face at the moment because when something's really good, like I wanted it to be good. I like Exploring Birdsong. I think, this was far more polished and far more, I don't know, far more of a bop. Big fan. Tremendous. Can't wait to hear the whole album now. It is very much my taste as well. I realise that if you prefer the more prog elements, maybe this isn't so much for you if you want something really proggy. But in terms of like a progressive pop rock, I think it's fucking ace. Absolutely brilliant. Can't wait to see what they do next. Anyway, on screen now are all of my members on Ko-fi. Thank you so much for all of your support. Gosh, it's been an incredible 2025 and it's only getting bigger in 2026. Of course, you get early access to the videos, you get exclusive videos, myself, not just music stuff, Artie and Lauren and all sorts of stuff. And yes, we're moving house in the next couple of weeks. I know, big fucking scary times. So we're gonna if you want to support on Ko-fi, that's great, because I need to buy a desk. But yeah, we're on Twitch too as well. If you want to come and hang out there, we get really wanky about music and art and musicals and theatre and Motown and fucking all sorts over there. So yeah, if you want to come join us, that'd be amazing, because this is only a little one.
That's what she said.
Yeah, well, I think we'll dive into this even further. Maybe even tonight. We're on Twitch tonight. We're on Twitch all the fucking time. Anyway, come and join, or don't, because you're a free-range human and you can do what the fuck you want. But yeah, if you want to do the like and subscribe stuff, or don't, whatever. Look, brilliant. I'm just buzzing because this song's amazing, and I'm off to go and listen to it now for the rest of the day. So I hope you do too, because it's mint. And maybe 2026 is the year of Exploring Birdsong. I'll catch up with you on the next one.